Have you ever wondered about your meeting effectiveness? Meetings are key moments and we spend 20 to 30% of our working life in them. However, meetings get a lot of criticism. The three most common faults are too long, on average 90 minutes, when it's well known that after 30 minutes the group's attention starts to wane. Too top-down, it's always the same third that monopolize the conversation. Not productive enough, less than 1 in 4 meetings result in decision-making. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Because the way meetings are conducted has a huge impact on day-to-day collaboration. Firstly, on average, 50% of meeting participants feel they cannot easily express their point of view. This leads to a lot of frustration. Secondly, 80% of problems are never addressed because of a failure to talk to each other effectively. In fact, these problems are not solved. Thirdly, 55% of people feel their creativity is underexploited. So many solutions are just not shared and ideas are wasted. Next, 95% of meeting participants think that they lack accurate information to act effectively. This leads to a lot of misunderstanding in the organization. Finally, discussions are too unbalanced to reach a real consensus. The few decisions taken are hardly ever implemented. All this prevents the group from moving forward effectively on a daily basis. With Klaxoon, we'll make your meetings much more effective. First, we'll take a look at participation. Did you know that only 15% of people feel comfortable speaking in meetings? For the vast majority, it's a stressful time. With Klaxoon, we'll use different channels to make it easy for everyone to express themselves. Next, we'll make sure that we have tangible results at the end of the discussions. You can only listen to 5 different concepts being discussed before losing track. So you need to make things visible to ensure that everyone understands the context as much as possible. Then we'll let more things to be done asynchronously. You don't necessarily have the right answer right now. It's essential to allow time for reflection and understanding. This is even more important today given that 9 out of 10 meetings take place with at least one person missing. Everyone must be able to find clear and tangible information between meetings. The platform will facilitate discussion so that everyone understands everything, even if they're not all available at the same time. This way, the group will be able to act much faster. We'll also facilitate remote discussions wherever you are. As a project progresses, you have to be able to improvise catch-ups in different contexts, sometimes with people working remotely. Klaxoon makes this possible with the various inbuilt features. Finally, we'll help you structure thoughts using the best methods. As you know, there are hundreds of effective methods to take your thinking to the next level, stimulate creativity, facilitate problem solving, prioritize and plan actions, etc. With Klaxoon, you'll be able to mobilize these methods very easily, instantly in one click from the library of templates on the platform. Each template comes with tutorials, examples, videos, and tips to speed up collaboration. Klaxoon tools are designed to increase your meeting productivity, whatever the context. In a meeting room, Klaxoon will help you have an extremely productive discussion and facilitate everyone's contribution in real time in a visual and ultra-effective manner. The platform makes it easy to connect to any screen. There's nothing to install, and it's specifically designed to get everyone engaged. These unique features help organize the space, which can be adapted to the work in progress for complete freedom of movement. Klaxoon makes it easy to keep team members in sync in their day-to-day lives, synchronously, either in person or remotely, and asynchronously to help everyone keep track. This way, the team always makes coordinated progress. Klaxoon can be used in all areas of the company, Its robust tools designed for professional use make it possible to connect everyone regardless of their job, wherever they are. It does this by boosting participation and creating spaces where everyone can express themselves. Klaxoon is the solution for inclusive and effective teamwork.